It looks...
Finally, the day we've all been waiting for. We're gonna go ahead, clean the 300ZX interior. Bro, you know how many comments I get a day telling me that the interior's AIDS? Like, there's not the 300s, obviously my 370, but we came to Walmart. We're gonna go ahead, pick up some stuff, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. We're gonna have fun. We got Brian behind the camera. And let's get it. Let's try not to get kicked out of Walmart because we have a camera with like a cat on top. Brian, how's life, bro? How's life?
Everything's great.
Everything's... Oh, Warriors, dude. Warriors, let's go.
Yeah.
Ooh. First thing, we gotta find seat covers. Maybe for something like hot girl. Like, what do you think? Like something purple,
Can I get something
pink. Let's go for it. And you see that? 29 bucks. That's way too expensive. So
We're on a budget.
oh, what do you guys think of this? Yes. Touch it, touch it, touch it. Dude, I'm telling you, dude, this is 300ZX restoration.
Or could we
Like
get
this.
one, if anything? My grandma's seat cover.
This is sort of like just like real quick. We're gonna clean up the interior so I'm not sitting on just like grease and just, like I said, AIDS. So we're gonna go ahead.
You a fan?
Bro, I don't even know what that team that is.
I don't know either. I just know it's from ours. It's from Florida.
So we go with these. And then, what do you think, dude?
I like it. I mean, you even get a car. That's for sure.
Ooh, can you imagine pulling up to a car and did this? Everybody's gonna be asking questions. Maybe not the right questions, but definitely gonna get attention.
Alright, on to the next thing.
All right, got the brush for the suede. What do you think, Brian?
Perfect. It would be good.
I thought they weren't gonna have it, but they did. So shout out to Walmart for sponsoring this video.
Danny wanted to go with a paintbrush.
And the last piece of the puzzle, shout out to the Walmart employee, huge help. We got a steamer, we got the brush for the suede, and we got the, oh, we didn't. We actually got the pink ones, we got the seat covers.
We're good.
Jump in there. Just go, just go, just go. Okay, you can. Look at that Eclipse, bro. Shout out to my Eclipse fam. First car I ever had was an Eclipse, and look at that Charger. Like that.
But you had a wing. Right? Didn't you have a wing?
Yeah. Dude, you didn't even help, dude. Damn, this kid, bro.
I thought
You left your phone in the car?
Yeah.
You left your, I didn't even lock the car.
And cameras and everything.
And cameras and GoPros. Move the car back or forward because there's no space here to take out the seat. Are you still recording? Yeah. Should we show them how bad this interior? So this, in case you guys aren't tired of seeing it, is the before. This is the suede. This is the suede right here that's kind of complicated to clean. That's why we got a steamer. Back here's also suede. There. Down here. Oh my gosh, bro, this is disgusting, dude. Look at this. I already found a quarter. All right, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the passenger side, take out that seat. It shouldn't be too complicated, couple bolts, and then we can get started on that side first. We out. Bro, look at this. There's a peanut. $5, you eat that. There's a ring in here?
You only gonna do
My guy was engaged?
You only gonna do $5?
What, bro? We got the most money out here. Who do you think we are? Yeah, so what I wanted to say is we're gonna start with this door panel right here. We could start vacuuming, but vacuuming is the pretty easy part. So we're gonna get the suede out first. Make sure that we're actually doing it correctly. Man, we definitely have a lot of work to do. We should be good though. This should be the easy part. The hard part is gonna be the suede. Suede is already getting back its texture. Can you tell the camera?
Yeah, I can see
Oh,
it.
dude, that's so cool. So we're basically just steaming it up. Steaming it up, and just with like a little brush that I found in the shoe section, like you saw, just kind of go in circles. Just kind of cleaning it up. Look at that. And then I sort of pass like a microfiber. Not too hard, but just kind of go like that. we're gonna go ahead and jump on this side. That side we got, it actually turned out really good. Alright, so we just finished doing this side. It was very hard getting it up here. We got it to look cleaner, but as you can see, the suede has material back. Looks pretty clean. Let's put it up there so it looks cleaner. Now we did this side. This side we did. We still gotta do this side right here and behind here. Bruh, we're doing a damn good job. So it's getting dark out. That's not good for this video. So what we're gonna do, Brian's gonna steam that side. I'm gonna go ahead, use this right here, clean the carpet. Bruh. Look how dirty that is. It was literally just like this on the other side. I don't know how this works, but we've been going at it for a bit, and I took a little peek at Brian's side, bro. Bruh. I hate this new freaking daylight savings time, but Brian's over there. One thing I did notice, the carpet is pretty clean. It's pretty clean, so it's not disgusting, doesn't smell bad. If anything, it smells amazing right now. So I'm gonna put the seat back on and go to the other side. Literally forgot the most important part. Seat cover time. Let me put the sensor up. Straight. Awesome. Honestly, I think we're just gonna go ahead and finish everything real quick, and then I'll show you guys the after tomorrow, because you can't really see it before and after when there's no light. Show them the starting product. Yep. This is how we're starting with. Oh my gosh, look at that, bro. We gotta put a lot of work on there. Yeah, definitely start with there. Cigarette. Look at that. That's a cigarette right there.
Yeah.
You see what I mean? This guy, bro. Rock, paper, scissors. Who's gonna go get it? Shit. Not gonna lie, Brian did that set all by himself. You are a wizard.
Of Oz.
Like what? All right, boys. Well, it is currently like 7 or 8 p.m. We spent 5 hours, like over 5 hours, detailing the carpet, scrubbing the suede. Actually, detailing the suede, scrubbing the carpet. I don't know. I'm tired, right? But this car looks absolutely amazing. I will show you guys right now, but it's dark but shout out to Brian for helping us out. Like seriously, huge help, and for sticking along. With that said, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow morning because this looks so freaking sick. This is for all of you that doubted the interior of the car, made fun of it. This is very presentable and beyond. I think this is cleaner than my 370. Like facts. Alright boys, it's currently the next day, and how could I end off today's video without really showing you guys how everything turned out? But first of all, the Z looks so sick over there by itself. Now let me show you guys the amazing job Brian and I did. Holy crap. All right, so let's start with the first thing. You guys saw this when we first started, the door panels. Oh my gosh. You can see right here, no more stains. No more stains. No more horrible seats. Obviously, we're gonna get racing seats or restore the OEM seats, but either way, look at this new cockpit. You guys remember how it was before with the stains? Look at it now. This has to be the craziest part. You guys remember when I looked at the center console and we were like, that's so disgusting. Look at this now, bro. Back here, we also cleaned it up. So good that I don't even know if I want to upgrade to like another interior, because I mean, it looks, yeah, I'm not big on tan, but it looks clean, bro. All right, but with that said, boys, thank you so much for watching today's video and sticking along for the 300ZX content. I'm really encouraging you guys. I have a whole playlist up on the channel right now of all the 300ZX content I've ever made. Go ahead and check it out. Make sure you watch everything once, twice, 3 times, 5 times if you're a real bro. With that said, make sure you smash that thumbs up, share with your friends, everybody. If you're not subscribed yet, we're gonna have a problem. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time with an insane interior. Peace.